One super hack to keep you motivated is that to remember the feeling in order to regain that energy to do what you want to do. What does it mean? In the previous episodes, if you have been following, we saw how to keep you motivated using anchors. And anchors can be used to recollect your past situations where you were in full control of your emotions, you were happy, you were ecstatic, you were successful, and how do you recollect those moments and the feeling to regain that energy. Here we will see why and how remembering the feeling or the emotion, be it the past events or the present, is going to help you create a better future event. My name is Brinda, and you're watching EQ Hack series to help you improve emotional intelligence. I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh women achieve freedom, that is, freedom from stress, time, and money, using emotional intelligence and digital entrepreneurship as tool. This is one such initiative, and I would highly recommend you to go through the previous episodes where we spoke about tools and technologies to help you become aware of emotions, that is being the first step towards emotional intelligence. And we also saw the second step, that is how to manage emotions. It's just not enough that you become aware, you also have to know how to manage your emotions well. We saw a lot of tools about practicing optimism is going to help you make decisions, about how using a decision making matrix is going to help you evaluate your decision, about how you can transition from not so good feeling to a better feeling, about how you can define your core values, connect your values with goals, establish your value, resolve your conflict between the values, how it is all going to help you keep motivated to arrive at a better decisions, to be able to create that influence around you, to be able to keep yourself marching towards your goal. Now in this episode, we will also see one more super hack to help you keep motivated. Whenever you feel sad, you feel stuck, flip through your head an inspiration movie, a scene from it, or a song which can get you going is definitely going to be the fastest way to help you change how you're feeling in this moment. But remember, the key is to remember that feeling that you're going through or you've gone through already. It's like, if you recollect, how did your first date go? How was your first date? I'm sure it should be a mixed emotions of anxiety, thrill, joy, happiness. And think about the day when you moved from school to college. The feeling of being free, anticipation, excitement. And what about your first day's salary? The freedom that you had to shop whatever you want, buy whatever you want, the pride. And what about the situations where, when you were just laying down on the grass on a sunny day? Or when you are feeling the breeze on your face? And how do you feel when you look up the sky on a full moon day? All these are all good, feel good moments, right? When you feel good, you're going to find your motivation faster. But it is important to label the feeling that you're going through in that moments. And that's what is going to help you recreate the future moments, to recreate a better version of yourself for the future. I hope you like this. Remember to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified for future episodes. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.